Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Chanel jumbo flat bag from unahubs.ru. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into this unboxing. So if you haven't already heard of unahubs, they are an online website that specializes in high quality reps, and if you guys already know, the word around town is that these reps is the real thing at this point. So let's go ahead and unbox our Chanel. So this time I went with the big one because I usually always just do small bags, but I'm telling y'all, now that I'm a mom, I have to have a bigger bag. So we have a dust bag that comes with it. It has like the wrapping and all of that. I'm just going to show you guys what's inside first. It has like the authentic card. Also in here is this little detail. And then they even do like the little receipts and then like the flower to go on it. So here's the bag. So I did get this one in like the caviar leather. Put it up close so you guys can see a little bit better. I want it to focus in better than this. So yeah, this is the bigger size. I do have a bag just like this one, but smaller, and it can barely fit anything, especially for my like day-to-day. But if I'm going out and like I need to have like a little bottle in here, a few wipes, diapers, I can fit all of that as I'm going out. So here's the back of the bag. Here's the side. So the quality of this bag is really good. You guys can see the CC in the front. And just twist it. Has your zipper. Let me peel this off. It does say Chanel here too. Your zipper. Okay, and have the zipper. And this does have the like burgundy wine inside, which is so pretty. So you see all that space, guys. Way more space than my smaller size one I had because couldn't fit anything. And then we also have this big pocket. So this one has plenty of space to put stuff, plus the back pocket. So such a cute bag. Of course you can wear it on the shoulder, which is pretty much how I plan on wearing it. You can also wear it crossbody. Such a gorgeous bag. I'll be able to put so much more in it. So if I'm having one of those days where I need to bring a lot of stuff, I can of course put it in this bag. But yeah, really good quality. I love how much freaking space I have. Like I can put so much in here. I love that it has the separate pocket too, and then the two pockets that are in the back. This bag is so big that it's hard to move around. Okay, there we go. So nice, y'all. Like I don't really have anything else to say about it because it's just nice. They do have this bag on their site in other colors as well. I know they for sure had a gray color, but very nice, very nice. So I will have all their information linked in the description box below, plus the discount code so you guys can save some money. They also do have other designers on their website besides Chanel. They have YSL, they have Louis Vuitton, Gucci, just so many options to choose from. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.